traditional teacher of the first women's school in India and also considered as the owner of modern Bharathi poetry in 1852. She opened a school for untouchable girls. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Anushka from third class. Logo Deepam Subham Karoti Kalyanam Arogya Dhan Sampadaha Satrubuddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotirnyastute Ardham Subham Kalyanam Arogya Dhan Sampadanalu Icche Deepa Jyotilaku Namaskaram. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself K. Radhasri from third class. Today is Indian Culture Academy to get new books with white paper and policy reforms. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself D. Shanmugapriya from third class. Today news Australia is banning children under 16 from social media. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself D. Hamashwini from third class. Today news PM Modi tagged opposition say parliamentary for delivery not drama. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself V. Bhavshya from third class. Today news amid complete over behavior. Hockey coach Arindra Singh quit sitting. Personal reason. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself is Sandeep studying from third class. Today news India government orders smartphone make sure heroes state water cyber safety app. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Anita from third class. Good morning everyone. Myself Vikekna from third class. Brahma Murari Surashita Lingam Nirmala Bhagita Shobhita Lingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Deva Muni Prabharashita Lingam Kama Dahana Karunakara Lingam Ravana Drapina Shakana Lingam Tat Priyamami Sada Shiva Lingam Sarva Sugandha Sulepita Lingam Buddhi Vivardhana Karana Lingam Siddhi Surasura Vandita Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Panipati Vestiti Sobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagya Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Kumkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam Pankajahana Sushobhita Lingam Sanchita Papa Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Devaganachita Sevita Lingam Bhavai Patti Pirevicha Lingam Dinakara Koti Prabhakara Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Suruguru Suruvara Pujita Lingam Suravara Pushajita Lingam Paramapadam Paramatmaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Anita from third class. Today we are going to learn shortcut keys of computer. A computer is an electronic device that transforms data into meaningful information. Shortcut keys are Control plus X is used to cut the document. Control plus Z is used to undo documents. Control plus A is used to select all the pages.
Files amma.
Control plus C is used to copy the files. Control plus N is used to new files. Control plus S is used to save the notes. Control plus V is used to paste the docs.